Hi YouTube, this is Tara. Welcome back to my channel. I don't have a whole lot of time, so I'm going to try to get my Juvia's Place foundation review up for you again with the Danessa Myrick blur. But I want to the Yummy Skin blur powder. But I do want to come in and show y'all this. This was supposed to be a part of my Black History, but as you all seen that I wasn't able to fulfill that obligation. It was supposed to be my first annual Black History, Black owned products review and unboxing for February, but I didn't get a chance. This is a brand that I don't hear very much about. It's called the Candy Lady, and this is the assorted candy eyeshadow, eye candy. Okay, now on the back it says 30 eyeshadow palette. Okay, 30 color. Now also sometimes y'all may hear me talk about the crayon case. She's the Candy Lady. All her stuff is candy. You got Beauty Bakery. All her stuff is about baking and cooking. And then you also have the crayon case, Super Scent. Okay, from the crayon case. And this is what it looks like. It looks just like the cover. Okay, it looks just like the cover. And when I open it, this is what it looks like. It has a mirror, full-size mirror. It has a sheet protector. And then it has, oh my God, 2 of my shadows just fell out. Y'all saw that live in living color. That's never happened before. And maybe that's why nobody ever don't talk about her palette. The first, this is yellow, which is called Banana. And this is a shimmer type of purple mauve shimmer, which is called Plum Passion. So plum would be like the right. Oh my God. So y'all saw that. So this yellow fell out and this plum fell out. When I first got this palette, you see this shade right here that's called Berry Blast. This shade right here that has, it's like a pinkish purple. Berry Blast. When I first got this palette, this shade right here was broken and it was all over the palette. So I took a picture and sent it to her, and she sent me a whole new palette, which this is the replacement. Okay, so I unboxed it. I don't know if it's because it's old that it did that, but I unboxed it before, but I didn't do any swatches or anything. That's what I didn't do. I didn't do any swatches or anything like that. So, wow. So I'll go ahead and swatch a few of them. So let's go ahead and swatch that Plum Passion right here. Let's swatch this since it's falling out the pan. And let's do Sugar. I forgot what Sugar looked like. They're nice and soft. They're nice and soft. Look at there. Then we got Cotton Candy. And then we have Nerds. Okay, where's Cotton Candy? This is Cotton Candy. And then we have Nerds. Because Nerds is a candy. Okay. So these are probably names of candies and or flavor. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Okay. So this is Purple Passion. Oh, it's pretty too. Maybe it jumped out at me because it wanted to be used today. I have pink in my shirt. Then we got sugar, like I said. And then we got that nice cotton candy. And then we have nerds. So, this is what they look like. Nerds is a really soft shimmer. These are not bling type shimmers, as you can see. And if you go to her website and you look at her pictures, these are all like these are professional women, business women, so they probably don't wear all that bling, on the job and in the office. So, and I'm okay with that. And that's cotton candy. So that is the shimmer. We're gonna swatch some mattes. But look at this. Look at Gold Brick and Kisses. Gold Brick and Kisses. So let's watch it. Oh my God. It's not even coming off. Look. Let's do it again. Okay, now. Okay. But y'all saw that. Let's see if this one gonna do the same. You got to, this is a pressed glitter. Okay. You gotta kind of press into it. So these glitters right here are just like toppers. So that gold brick is pretty. This camera, this lighting is really not doing it. This is Kisses and this is Gold Brick. Because it do have different little flecks of like red and orange and all of that. So let's get into, since this yellow banana want to jump out, let's go ahead and swatch this. Y'all know my favorite color is purple. Then I'm gonna go over here to this orange. All of these are nice, melanated girl friendly. And then we're gonna go in with the pink. Okay, so let's do yellow. It's real light. Purple. Oh, that's pretty. That's a medium purple. That orange is nice, y'all. And pink. Isn't that pretty? So let's go in with a little bit more yellow. And I definitely see why people don't really talk about her brand. It's good, but it's so many other indie brands that are better than her. Now, what I really like is stain my fingers. Okay. Yay. Take it. So my fingers are stained. So yeah, those are nice. These are, but they are very nice. It's a nice palette, and I bought it on sale. I forgot it's been last year, so I really forgot how much this palette cost me at the time, okay? And I bought it during the what's it name sale, okay? So hold on. Okay, so in my other bag, I realized I do have some tools, okay, that I could have used to put at least one eyeshadow on. At least one. Okay, but I'll do that at another time. So next, because we don't have a whole lot of time, this is called Passion Fruit. Okay, this is also by the Candy Lady. Okay, this is called Passion Fruit, and I'm going to put it on. It's a clear. And that's what it looks like.